Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Remitly app not working issue. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Remitly, and then swipe the app completely away to clear temporary cache. Then head over to your settings app and then select Remitly and clear the app's cache. Then restart your phone after that. Also make sure the app is updated. So head over to your app store or Play Store, then search for the Remitly app and make sure that is updated to the latest version. Updating it is very important. This because it usually fixes most app related problems. That's how you fix the Remitly app not working.